Ready to explore the world of soul food? Originating from the heart of the African diaspora, soul food has etched its way into the culinary tapestry of cultures worldwide. With a rich heritage steeped in tradition, soul food offers a banquet of flavors, from savory to sweet, all designed to comfort and satisfy. Each dish tells a story of survival, community, and love. So if you're yearning for a feast that feeds more than just your body, prepare to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds. First up, the classic soul food staple, fried chicken. To start, we'll need chicken pieces, flour, eggs, buttermilk, and a blend of spices. This includes paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne for that kick. Marinate your chicken in the buttermilk and spices overnight to lock in those flavors. When you're ready to cook, roll each piece in flour, then dip in beaten egg and roll in flour again. Fry until golden brown. And there you have it, golden, crispy, flavorful fried chicken. Next, we have collard greens, a southern favorite. This green delight is traditionally simmered with smoked meats like ham hocks or turkey necks, which lend their rich, savory flavors to the dish. You'll also need onion, garlic, red pepper flakes, and apple cider vinegar for a tangy kick. Now, the preparation is simple. Rinse the greens thoroughly, sauté your onions and garlic, add your smoked meat and greens, then simmer until tender. Enjoy these hearty, nutritious collard greens as a side dish or a meal in itself. No soul food meal is complete without cornbread. Let's get baking. You'll need some ground cornmeal, all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, and an egg. The process is simple. Mix your dry ingredients, add in the wet ones, and stir until smooth. Then, pour your batter into a greased pan and let it bake until golden brown. Cornbread holds a special place in soul food cuisine with its comforting, hearty texture and subtly sweet flavor. Serve this warm, crumbly cornbread with some honey butter for an ultimate treat. Moving on to a dish that symbolizes good luck, black-eyed peas. Gather your black-eyed peas, onions, garlic, and ham hock. Soak the peas overnight, then simmer them with your aromatic vegetables and smoky ham hock until tender. This humble legume holds a central place in New Year's celebrations, promising prosperity for the coming year. The end result? A pot brimming with peas that are creamy, flavorful, and steeped in tradition. Savor these flavorful, creamy, black-eyed peas with some rice or cornbread. Now, let's sweeten things up with some candied yams. Bursting with the warmth of cinnamon and the spicy kick of nutmeg, these yams are a soul food staple. Start by peeling and chopping your yams, then simmer them in a delightful concoction of butter, sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. The secret is to cook them just until they reach that perfect candy-like consistency. This process transforms the humble yam into a sweet, sticky delight. These sweet, sticky, candied yams are a perfect side dish for any soul food meal. So are you ready to whip up these soulful dishes? Let's take a moment to savor the 5 delightful soul food recipes we've explored today. Each dish a homage to the rich culinary heritage that is soul food, brimming with flavor, comfort, and love. First, we dove into the golden, crispy delight of fried chicken. A classic staple, this dish sings with its well-seasoned, crispy crust and tender, juicy meat. Remember, the secret lies in the marinade and the temperature control while frying. Next, we delved into the hearty world of collard greens. This leafy green vegetable, slow-cooked with smoked meats and a mix of spices, creates a savory side dish that pairs beautifully with almost anything. Feel free to experiment with different types of smoked meat to switch things up. Then we shifted gears to the sweet and savory cornbread, a perfect accompaniment to your soul food spread. You can make it sweeter, add some jalapenos for a kick, or keep it traditional. The choice is yours. Our fourth stop was at the humble yet flavorful black-eyed peas. This protein-packed legume, when simmered with aromatic spices and vegetables, transforms into a hearty dish. Can you imagine New Year's without this good luck charm? Finally, we wrapped up with the sweet, spiced and buttery candied yams. This dish, with its caramelized edges and soft, tender interior, is an absolute treat. Don't forget, you can adjust the sweetness to your liking or add a dash of nutmeg for an extra layer of flavor. Now it's your turn to bring these dishes to life in your kitchen. Play around with the ingredients, tweak the spices, and make these recipes your own. And when you do, don't forget to share your culinary creations and experiences. Remember, soul food is not just about the ingredients and the techniques, it's about the love and care you pour into each dish. So put on some soulful tunes, roll up your sleeves and get cooking. Embark on this soulful culinary adventure and savor the flavors of these hearty, comforting dishes. Happy cooking!